Yes, how are you? Let me teach you on how to create a blackboard like this, the scrolling blackboard. This is one of the blackboard I see is the most relevant and reliable blackboard of them all, because you can add as many pages as you want, and wherever you want you write it in your blackboard, you can save it, like right here. You can save it and then your content will remain there. Okay, this is a scrollable blackboard. I like it because it's incremental. That's why I like it. It means that you can write above here. You can write like a notes here. You can write notes with a heading. Now you will keep writing your notes going downward on wherever. Okay, so this is the most relevant way to create your blackboard. This is the most let me say favorable way to create your blackboard, the scrolling blackboard. You see, let me write here. I'm teaching you on how to create scrolling blackboard. So you will ask, can I change the colors of my writing and the thickness? You can change the thickness and the colors very well, so that your handwriting will be shown clearly. So you can change the thickness, the colors, but make sure the colors that you are choosing are related to Blackboard. Don't choose the color like black color and write it on your blackboard. Just choose the colors that are that can be shown clearly on your blackboard. Okay, now let's write with different thickness. Let's add some thickness. This is the chalk writing. You can just write your notes with different colors, and then you can also write as many notes as you can. You can save your notes, and your blackboard is scrollable. I think those are the options that I was looking for when I'm looking for a good blackboard. Now let me show you on how to create this blackboard. Also, this blackboard is good because it's fitted in the entire width of your computer. It's fitted on the entire width of your computer. By just pressing here, you can fit the page on the entire width of your computer. But also you can unfit, you can fit. Okay, I think the fitting part is the most favorable. I like it. So the scrolling blackboard, let's go and teach you on how to create it. This is simply created by using Microsoft Word document. Create your Microsoft Word document, right click on your computer, then say new Microsoft Word documents. Let's start it right there. Call it a board. Okay, so in this board you can open it. Open your board. So after opening your board, now you see this is the board. Make sure your Microsoft Word is activated so that you will not get any problem along the way. If your Microsoft is not activated, you can directly activate it, or you can seek for let me say technical expertise to help you activating your Microsoft Word. So this is your Microsoft Word. For now, you see there is only one page. Now you can put incrementally how any number of pages that you want. Let's say just keep adding some pages, adding some pages, adding some pages, adding some pages. So now we have many pages. Okay, you can put as many pages as you want just by pressing enter. Press enter so that you can put as many pages as you want. Just press your enter button so that the pages will be shown here, and you can see it. Until now we have 6 pages. Now for a good teacher you can put like let's say 50 pages for a good teacher, so that you can be open on your writing. You can write as large as you want. Maybe 50, maybe 30 is good. For minimal teacher you can put like 20 to 21 to 29 wherever pages. So it's your choice. It's entirely your choice. I don't want to judge that choice. You can put as many pages as you want. But the trick here is to make it a blackboard. Now go here. Tell me what to do. This is Microsoft Word 2019. You will see the bulb here ask you to tell it what to do. Tell me what to do. Now you can say more you can write here Blackboard. You can just type here background. Background. Okay. So after writing the background, just click the background option. Now you will see these colors and a lot of colors. You can choose any color to use in your blackboard, because there are green blackboards. I see a lot of maybe gray blackboard. Wherever you can choose wherever color you want, but for me I like black. Okay, I can choose black and say okay. Now the entire pages are turning black. This is what we were looking for. So if the pages are already turned black, now save these pages as a PDF. Save as a PDF. So browse and then save as a PDF. Go to a PDF and save this bird as a PDF. So it's good that now you have Microsoft Edge, the browser. It's called Microsoft Edge. It's good for you. Let's say this is your Microsoft Edge. Now the PDF I'm working with is I'm going to open it inside Microsoft Edge as the browser. This is the browser called Microsoft Edge. Okay, this is my browser. It's called Microsoft Edge, and I'm going to use it to open my PDF. Now let's go directly back to my PDFs. Let's open my PDFs. So this is my newly created PDF called board. I'm gonna double click it, and by default I told it to be opened inside a Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, now the problem that's remaining here, I want it to fit the entire width of my computer. As you can see here, it's fitted in my entire width of my computer, I don't want the video to be very long, so now I will click fit to width. Now the Blackboard is entirely fit to the entire width. And the beauty about Microsoft Edge, if you are using this writing tablets, okay, pen tablets, it's very, 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 very soft to use inside the Microsoft Edge. As you can see, now let's click draw and choose any color. Let me choose this color here, or let's choose blue color, and then you can turn any thickness that you want, and then you can start writing. As you can see, you see, it's writing like a pen. Okay, it's very, 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 very soft and reliable way of writing. So you have your projector, you have this Blackboard, or you have your computer and you have this Blackboard. You can teach very easily. Okay, you can teach very easily. As you can see, your Blackboard is incremental. Now your Blackboard is very good for teaching, because you don't have to open anytime to open another Blackboard. You can just scroll down and write to another page below the writings above. This is below the writings above. So you can keep going writing inside the number of pages you created in Microsoft Word, whatever number of pages. For me, I created only 7. You can create more than 7, more than 7, even 100 squared pages you can create, so that you can teach freely and you can enjoy your teaching. Okay, this is the best way for me. I choose this way as the best way to create a Blackboard that I can teach my students. And for me, it's very smart way and relevant way to create a Blackboard, compared to a lot of options that I see online. So welcome to my channel. You can subscribe, and also you can just you can comment if you want. You can give me a like if you like it, but also stay with me, because we're going to learn a lot of science subjects. Okay, by using my Blackboards, we can learn a lot of science, but also a lot of concepts, maybe computer concepts. So this is the very this is my tutorial, and welcome again to my channel. Thank you, and stay up to date.